So basically from the courier we're gonna get Elgato HD60S. That means you're gonna see me playing different mobile games directly on PC with this HD60S Plus. Let's quickly open it. Come on. I need a cutter. Suppose this is unboxing on your channel. Okay. Wow. There. Here you go. HD60S Plus 4K 60 HDR with 1080p 60 HDR USB 3.0 instant game view, and here you will see normal things, pricing and all the things, and yep, in the box game capture HD60S Plus, USB 3.0 cable, USB 2.0 cable, normal things, and yep, I guess this is it. Other than that, nothing much interesting. Just to open that thing, let's go. By the way, you didn't saw my edit for you, bro. I haven't seen yet. I can watch after the stream only. Open it, open it. Nice and easy. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, nothing in the box now. Putting it here. Oh yeah. Just some instructions and all the things. As you can see, Elgato, it's here. Let's open it. Oh, nice. Hey. Just some instructions right down here. And gaming capture card, which is much more important to go on. The most important thing of the box. Out in for the audio and all the things. Let's go. USB 2.0, USB 3.0 and 2.0. Some of the stickers and manual book and all the things. Putting it aside. Let's see if there's something else. Yes, something else, I guess, is not there. Nothing else is here. Just those things were there. Cool. And nothing else from the box. And about the performance and all the things, you can actually see the performance when we start playing, and my review about the Elgato HD60S Plus. HD60S Plus. Okay, so we need to set up all the things first, then we can actually start playing from it. So putting it aside for now,